welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. So today's video is going to be a jewelry haul and review kind of a video. So CaratLane has this new brand called Shaya. They have 92.5 pure silver jewelry. Some of them are gold plated and some of them have the silver finish. So they have collection in both these varieties. So I picked up a couple of them. I seem to enjoy these jewelry hauls, so I thought I'll show you guys my haul and also review these for you guys and let you guys know what my experience was and how the qualities and all that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comments below if you would like to see more such videos, and give this video a like so that I know that you enjoy these videos. So now let's begin. I ordered all of these from Amazon. So I placed an order for all of them together. So they came in this box. So the inner packaging is like this. So they came in wrapped in this sheet and a bubble wrap, and then each of the individual jewelry pieces came in a pouch. They came in with these pouches. These are sort of like the jute or cotton kind of pouches. They have the brand logo here stitched in, and it says Shaya here. And basically it's just a tie-up, and inside this again there's a polythene. There's like a nice cover. So your jewelry basically comes in secure, and it was delivered pretty quickly, like the usual Amazon delivery. I don't think it was more than 4 or 5 days. So this is the first neck piece. They have very beautiful dainty jewelry. So if you're looking for something for office wear, then this is great. It's a very beautiful neck piece, very dainty, but also good quality. It doesn't feel flimsy, or it doesn't feel like it will come off easily. So it's basically good quality, and it looks like gold. So I guess that's really good. So this is what it would look like when you wear. So it's perfect for everyday office wear or college, and especially if you're not looking to invest in like a gold jewelry, but if you're looking for something which sort of looks like gold look-alike, then this is great. It comes with this clasp. So that's what it looks like when worn. Sort of looks real. So if you're looking for like everyday wear jewelry for college or office, then this is great. Or if you're looking for basically dainty jewelry, you can layer them up. You can wear a couple of these. You can wear like a longer one as well, and it will look so pretty. They have rings, they have bracelets, they have different neck pieces. There were a couple of other models available, horseshoe, and like the different kind of basically with pendants and just the chains. So there's different kind of ones. I'll just zoom you guys a little bit so that you can get a closer look. So it looks pretty much like gold. It looks really beautiful, and as you can see, it will look nice for like everyday use. And I think if you're looking for like basic office wear, then this is great. I have picked up a couple of other silver jewelry items like this, which are like dainty and pretty, and you know, basically something for daily use. So I have had them for about a year or so. I don't see them fading away, and I think they also come with a warranty. I'll try and put the details in the description. So this was priced at 1800, and basically because it gives a really nice gold jewelry kind of a look. So I think it's pretty great, and also whenever there's discount on Amazon, you'll get it for a better price, of course. And yeah, very beautiful one. Next also I have one more dainty piece of jewelry. This one is a bracelet. It's quite similar to the neck piece. So it has these three sort of a chains, so connected chains, and it looks very pretty, and you can pair it up with your watch and wear it, and I think it would look really nice. So when worn along with your watch, this is what it will look like. So I think you can style it together. You can adjust the size accordingly. Sort of gives a very natural almost gold jewelry kind of a look. Very delicate and very elegant. Very dainty and very beautiful. So these two sort of go really well. Both of them are like dainty pieces, so they go really well with your everyday looks. So for office or college, if you're looking for everyday wear, then I think these are perfect. There's a couple of different models in bracelets. There's a lot of ring options in both silver finish and this gold plated finish, and there's some options even for neck pieces like this. This one is also priced at 1800. So this is is the silver jewelry. So this is the silver finish one, and I think this whole range has like lotus jewelry, bracelet, ring, and even accessories for neck, like neck pieces. I think this range is so beautiful. So you can see that it's the usual silver finish, and this bracelet is basically adjustable. That collection is very beautiful, so you can pick up a couple of pieces from the same range. This one's a little expensive compared to these. This one's I think 2000 something because it has this intricate detailing and the lotus flowers and everything. So you just have to wear it like that. So it looks very beautiful when worn compared to when you see it, because these lotuses get highlighted when you wear it like properly. It looks really beautiful, you guys. I think this entire range is very beautiful. So again, this is also like a delicate piece, but you can see the detailing here, and looks very beautiful. So I think this one has to be my favorite. Looks really beautiful when worn with other silver jewelry or styled with other silver jewelry, or just by itself as well. Again, you can stack it up along with your watch or other bangles or bracelets. I think this one might look nice when stacked up with other bangles or bracelets rather than the watch, or it just looks nice as it is also. So these are the 3 pieces which I picked up from Shaya by CaratLane. Because it's a brand by CaratLane, I was pretty curious, and I think a lot of you guys also would be interested. So let me know if you'd like me to try out more jewelry and review them for you guys, or if you like me to try out any other brands like Amrapali or Jiva. I think Jiva is also really in trend right now. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also find me on Instagram. Also, you can check out my brand Priyanka Boppana Official. That's my website, and there's some beautiful Banaras dupattas and kalamkari dupattas up for grabs. You can shop from the website directly. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.